start. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. If you enjoyed our videos, if you could like and subscribe, it'd mean a lot to us. And if you want to keep up to date with us, we post fairly regularly on Instagram some photos, which is Farming Bros YT, so you can go follow that if you want to. But yeah, today we're gonna take a load of Stockfeed, which is just like the throw out potatoes we have from like wash packing and grading them. So we're just gonna take just one trailer full down to the local beef farmer, which is literally a minute down the road. So I'm just gonna pick the trailer up from underneath our waste belt, which that comes out of our washing line. So it's quite nice actually, because it's just like you fill a trailer up and you empty the trailer when you need to. It's not like you got a bin and you got to faff around in the shed, so you can get like a lot of waste in there before you have to change it. But yeah, we'll get this hitched up. We've got to tip some in, so we'll give a JCB probably with a box tipper on the front, and we'll tip some, fill it up, and then we'll take it on down. Just a few spuds on the floor. I'll just pick them up quickly, otherwise they sort of gather up and then just like looks a bit scruffy, so I'll just pick them up quickly. Yeah, we're in something different today. We're in a Class Aries 86. I was just on this already, so I thought it'd save swapping tractors. I'll just carry on with this, and it's not going to be a big job, so I thought I'll just quickly hitch the trailer up and it'll be job done fairly quickly. So that's the reason we're in this today. This is usually on the road in the summer. There's a lot of road work in the summer, and then to be fair, it does like sort of the cultivating in the spring when we're planting. So it does do a bit. I think there are two of these, and this one's just hit 10,000 hours. I think the other one's on slightly less, but it's still going well. It's a pretty good tractor considering like its age and everything. It's like quite nice. It's not a bad tractor to drive. But yeah, we just park in the front yard here. This is like sort of a main yard outside the grading shed. I'll park on the edge of the concrete, and then we tip the waste spuds we have, which we have collected in bins. We'll tip them in with the handler and out, which you'll get to see. So yeah, let's get to it. Not the easiest thing holding a GoPro and forklifting at the same time. There's James. Yeah, we have like usually when we start harvesting full time, it'll be a lot more waste spuds coming out, but at the minute we're not getting a lot of waste, so it's not too bad. So this is like sort of probably won't even fill this trailer up, to be fair. It's pretty empty, and then so it'll probably it's only like one trip where they usually gather up, which you'll probably see later on in the summer. So then you end up having to do quite a few trips.
'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 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 'Cause I don't keep them.
Yeah, hopefully you'll be able to hear me alright. I've probably had to open the side window on the cab because it's getting a bit hot in here. Steaming up a little bit. But yeah, we're on our way down with this load of stock feed. Sort of, we do feed our own cattle stock feed, but we ain't feed our cattle the stuff out of our washing line, because then it's but we do feed our own cattle stock feed, but we usually use the stock feed out of our washing line, because then we know it's like all clean and it's like no stones, no like sort of rubbish in there, so it's just like we know it's good feed. But now all our cows are out on grass, so we don't feed any spuds, so we got no cattle in sheds anywhere. So we just top our waste from our washing line up with our like sort of dirty waste, and we just take it down to this guy at the minute, because he's quite happy to have it. It's just gets everything all cleared up for us. But yeah, sort of in the winter we do have like a little clamp of washed stock feed down at the main cattle yard, which we feed with like bruised barley. But to be fair, this like last winter we actually tried alka corn, we sort of for the first time, which actually was quite good, so we were feeding spuds with that. But yeah, so yeah, we do use it, but just this time of the year we have no need for it, so we just take it down there, take it down here. I think this guy's still got some cattle. He has some cattle in the shed, so he's quite happy to see it. He likes using it for feed. It's literally, like, as you can probably see from the video, it's literally 2 seconds down the road. It's not a pain to do. And he's just like, we just tip it in he's got like a silage shed where he has like puts his silage clamp, and we have been just tipping it in there, so it's like nice and easy. And yeah, so as we're just coming up now to it. So we're just got here, just gonna pack it in now, tip it up. Hopefully you can see alright. I don't know what the camera angles are like in this tractor, but squeaky brakes. Out when my wing mirrors are all wonky. Probably should sort that out. Windows need wipe off as well. Can't see any. Yeah, this is the silent shed I was talking about. This is where we tip it. It's nice and easy. When your wing mirrors are sorted out, that is. But yeah. Back a little bit more. That load tipped. Just heading back to the yard now. So all I've got to do is just sort the bins out, put them away, and just put this trailer back where I got it from. But probably end the video now because battery's getting low. I don't want it to run out because that'll be a right pain, especially as we're sort of you've pretty much seen everything I'm going to do in a minute anyway. And I'm sure we'll get more videos of it because it'll be happening plenty of times in the future. But I'm a bit bumpy here. But yeah, so that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. If you have, it'd be a lot if you could like and subscribe. If you want to follow us on Instagram, we're under the name of Farming Bros YT. So if you wanted to go follow us, we do post sort of regularly. I'm not going to say we don't post every day, but we don't want to like overload everyone with pictures because it's like we just like posting a few nice ones. But yeah. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.